Promise you can give, but with the karma, when you give promise, it's called compromise. So don't compromise in your life, because that is what has happened in the case of Dasharatha, as we saw yesterday. Our birth in this world is due to some weakness. If we were all perfect, we would not have become a living being, human at all. And this weakness is where our vasanas find inroad. Through whatever that we are weak about, that is where most of our vasanas express. Dasharatha was such a very valiant, powerful, intelligent, wise, noble, strong personality in the Ramayana. But yet, what we see in him is the weakness to his own youngest wife, and that has really caused to change the entire situation. Therefore, what we see here is that Dasharatha, even though he is the father of Rama and all right, but he has compromised. Now you see here in Ekadasha Sarga, Tam manmata sharir vidham Kama vega vashanugam Uvacha prativi palam Kaikeyi darunam vachaha Nasmi viprakrita deva Kena chinnavamanita Abhiprayastu me kasyat Namichchami tvaya kritam Pratiknyam pratijanishva Yadi tvam kartumichchasi Adate vyaharishyami Yata viprartitam maya Tamuvacha maharajaha Kaikiyim ishadutsmayaha Ami hastena sangrihya Murdajeshu bhuvistitam. Here very beautifully that Valmiki Rishi says, at this point Dasharatha is one who has been attacked by the shafts of Manmata. And unfortunately or fortunately, whatever you call, this year is Manmata Samvatsara. Meaning, even those who do not want to get married in this book. Manmata. Man, you know, manasi. Matanam karoti. One who churns the mind is called Manmata. So, Manmata Sharaihi, by the shafts and arrows of Manmata, Vidham pierced, tam, that is Dasharatham, Kama Vega Vasha Anugam. Kama Vega, the force of the passion, Vasha, under the control, Vasha Anugam, he who has gone under the control of the force of passion. To him, Prithvi Palam, one who is the ruler of this Prithvi, Kaikeyi Dharnam Vachaha Uvacha. She said things which are most harsh. Until this point, she was not talking. And she was only listening. She wants to make sure that he comes down to that level where he completely compromises all his values. She didn't utter a word so far. She was just waiting. Just not talking, it's called emotional torture. Just don't talk. That is what is the speciality about this Kopagriha. Kopagriha, Kopagara, you go there, shut yourself, I'm not talking, you do whatever you want. So until he comes down to the knees, you know, one man was there, I don't know whether I told you about this. So he was henpecked. So his friends were made me very, fun of him. He said, you are henpecked. You always ask whatever you do is according to your wife only, you don't do anything. You cannot make her come on her knees. I told you about that. So he said, no, I can make her come on her knees. No, you can't do that. It's not of you. So one day there was a party at home and she always would order him, go do this and take this and clean that and all those things. And suddenly she found that he was not there. Where is he? John, where are you? And she was looking for him all over the place. He was not found. Everywhere. Finally she came to the bedroom. Where is he gone? Slowly she found he is under the bed, under the cot. So she bent on her knees and said, you God, wait, I had to take a picture of you. He said, why? I told my friend that I will make you come down on your knees. That is an expression, coming down on knees. So here, until Dasharatha came on his knees, she didn't open her mouth. And he was telling so many things. I will give promise, I will do this, my life, even if I give you, I will give you whatever you want. Please tell me what is there in your mind, etc. Until this point, now she says, because Dasharatha asked this question, are you being insulted? Are you being slighted? Are you not well? All those things. Now are you possessed by some ghost or something? Are you agitated? Are you disturbed? Now she says, none of those. Nasmi viprakrita deva kenachit na avamanita. No, nobody has insulted me and nobody disrespected me. Me kaschit abhiprayaha. And there is something I have an intention. Tam tvaya kritam ichchami. For your sake I desire this. Pradignyam pradijanishva. Therefore, listen to this promise. Yadi tvam kartum ichchasi. In case you would like to accomplish that. Ata then te vyaharishyami. Then I will tell you about this. In case you say that you will fulfill the promise, then I will tell you. Yatha prarthitam maya, which I have thought about it. So then tam kaigeyim uvacha maharajaha, and Ishat utsmaya, little gently smiling. Ishat, little. Smaya, utsma, smaya means to smile. Utsmaya. Kami, again kami here means kamin. Become kami, the one who is most passionate. Hastena sangrihya murtajeshu bhuvisthidam. Slowly he picked her up from the earth, from the floor, caressed her slowly. Of course, my dear, for your sake, anything. So he calls her Avalipte. Avalipte na janasi. Avalipte na janasi. Tvatta priyataro mama. Tvatta priyataro mama. Manujo manujavyagrata. Ramadanyo na vidyate. Ramadanyo na vidyate. Tena jayena mukhyena. Raghavena mahatmana. Raghavena mahatmana. Sabete jivanarhena. Sabete jivanarhena. Bruhiyan manasepsitam. Bruhiyan manasepsitam. Yam muhurtam apashyamstu. Yam muhurtam apashyamstu. Na jiveyamaham dhruvam. Na jiveyamaham dhruvam. Tena ramena kaikeyi. Tena ramena kaikeyi. Sabete vachana kriyam. Sabete vachana kriyam. Atmana chatmachaishchanyaihi. Atmana chatmachaishchanyaihi. Vruneyam manujarshabam. Vruneyam manujarshabam. Tena ramena kaikeyi. Tena ramena kaikeyi. Sabete vachana kriyam. Sabete vachana kriyam. Badre hridayamapyetat. Badre hridayamapyetat. अनुमृश्योद्धरस्वमाम् एतत् समीक्ष्य कैकेयी ब्रूहि यत् साधु मन्यसे Avalipte means oh proud one, oh arrogant one. One meaning is oh most beautiful one. You are proud because you are beautiful. Tvatta priyataro mama na janasi. You do not know how much there is nobody who is most dear to me than Tvattaha than you. Priyataraha mama na janasi. You do not know how much I love you, but I love you. But one thing, what? Manujo manajavyakra rama dhanyo na vidyate. But more than you, I love Rama the most. Manujavyagra, he the one who is a tiger among all the men. Rama dhanyo na vidyate. There is nobody who is so powerful. Tena ajayena mukhyena ragavena mahatmana. Tena ajayena, that inconquerable Rama. Mukhyena, the most prominent. Ragavena mahatmana, of the Rama, by Rama. On his name, whose sake I live. Jivanarhena. One who is worthy of being lived for. Shabete. I promise you to do on the name of Ram. Now the problem is the Kaikeyi. Now this is an issue here. Bruhi yat manasa ipsidam. Tell me what you have in your mind. Yam muhurtam apashyanstu. Without seeing even for a moment, na jiveyamaham. Even for sure, I will not live for a moment. Tena ramena kaikini shapete vachanakriyam. I, on his name, because of, in whose absence I will not live, in his name I will give you a promise. Atmanata atmajaihi anyaihi. I shall give up myself and all my sons for his sake. Vrune vayam manujarshabam tena ramena kaikini shapete vachanakriyam. For whose sake I even give up myself or my own sons or anybody else. In his name I shall give you the promise that I will do whatever you want. So Kaikeyi was totally taken aback. So what now we can do? Badre, oh auspicious one, Hridayam api etat anumrishya uddharasvama. Please, my heart is sinking. Lift it up by telling what you have in your mind. Edat samiksha, seeing this, Kaikeyi, bruhi yat sadhu manyase. Whatever you are thinking in your mind, which is most appropriate to ask, do ask me. Now you see, what is most important here to be understood is his love for Rama is very high. That is the only saving grace for Dasharatha. Other than that, he has almost lost everything under the sun. Meaning he said that everything is for you. Earlier also he says, so much of wealth I have from Dravida Desh onwards, and then the whole of Konkan, and then Saurashtra, and then Vanga, Anga, Mata, Kashi, Koshala, everything is so much of wealth. Whatever you want, you ask. Without knowing what exactly she has in her mind. Now he is saying, now you see, don't doubt me, I will stand by my words. Balamatmani pashyanti na vishankitum arhasi karishyami tava pritim sukritena pite shape satadartamana devi tam abhiprayamagatam निर्माद्यस्ताच्च हर्षाश्च भवाशी दुर्वचं वचः तेन वाक्येन संहृष्टा तमभिप्रायमात्मनः व्याजहार महाघोरम् अव्यागतमिवान्तकम्. न विशंकितुम अर्हसि. Don't doubt me. Balam atmani pashyanti. Pashyanti. Sanskrit student here. What is pashyanti? Huh? Pashyanti. It looks like a third person singular, plural, but it is not. Pashyan. Pashyan means pashyantaha. Pashyantaha, like meaning he, the one who sees, and then feminine form is pashyanti. That way it is. Balam atmani pashyanti, while seeing my power, prowess, don't have any doubt. Na vishankitum arhasi. Tava pritim karishyami. I will do whatever you desire. Sukritena vite shabe, to fulfill the whatever promise I give you. Shapa means to that promise. Te shape, the promise that I give it to you, surely I will make it happen. When he made this statement, he was very sure. Now he has come on. He has already in my control now. Sa tadartamana, she the one who is keeping her focus on what she wants to accomplish. Devi tam abhiprayam agatam. Okay, you have come to my terms now. Now what she is going to do is, see, Madhyastha is one who is not taking any paksha. It's called Madhyastha. Madhyastha means one who does not have any kind of, Pratipaksha. Pakshapada vinirmuktaha. One who doesn't take sides is called Madhyastha. But she is one Nirmadhyastha. She being the one who is taken side. She has become partial towards my son's coronation, right? Harshacha, she became very delighted because now she is going to accomplish what she. Bhavashe durvacham vachah, she spoke the most horrible statement. Tena vakyena samhrishta tamiprayam atmanah, having thus listened to Dasharatha's what he has already come to decide about what to give, meaning how to, that is stated by the promise. Vyajahara mahagoram abhyagatam ivantakam. She spoke horrible words, which is like death is standing at the entrance. Antakam means Yama. Antakaha. Nitantakantam antakantam antakattakattajam. That's when Ganesha Samanamani do. Nitantakantam antakantam antakantakatmajam. It's the beauty of Shankaracharya. He, the one who brings the end of all the karmas of all living beings, he, the one who is the end of Yama, his son. Shiva's son. that is the name of Ganesha. Nidantakantamantakantamantakantakatmajam. Look like some rap song. Antaka means antam karodi idi antaka. So antakam abhyagatam, as though he is approaching. So she spoke words which are as though like death is approaching, which is really true now. Now she is opening her mouth. She says, Yata kramena shabase varam mama dadasi cha tachrunvantu trayastrimshat devasindra purogama Adityo navaschaiva graharatyahani dishaha अहनीदिशः जगच्च पृथिवी चेयम् सगन्धर्वा सराक्षसाः निशाचराणि भूतानि गृहेषु गृहदेवताः यानि चान्यानि भूतानि जानीयुः भाषितं तव सत्यसन्धो महातेजा धर्मज्ञः सत्यवाक् शुचिः वरं मम ददास्येष सर्वे शृण्वन्तु देवताः इति देवी महेश्वासम् परिगृह्याभिषस्य च ततः परमुवाचेदम् वरदं काममोहितम् स्मर राजन् पुरावृत्तम् तस्मिन् देवासुरे रणे तत्र त्वां चावयत् शत्रुः तव जीवितमन्तरा. Now he had promised on Sri Rama, right? He said, on the name of Rama, I promise that I shall give you whatever you ask for. She smiles and said, I don't want you to promise on Rama. I want to make sure what you say is heard by all the devatas. Yata kramena shavase, that which you are accordingly now doing the promise, varam mama dadasicha, and what you are going to give me, tat shrunmantu, let it be heard by whom? Trayastrimshat devaha, 33 form of gods, sa indra purogamaha, keeping Indra in the forefront, dwadasha adityaha, ekadasha rudraha, ashtavasuhu, and Ashwini Kumara. 12 plus 11 plus 8 plus 2. These 33 of them are considered as these who are Lokapalaka. They are protectors of this world, and 12 Adityas and 11 Rudras and 8 Vasus and 2 Ashwini Kumaras. Let them listen. Interestingly, they are listening. Because they wanted their things to accomplish, right? They are all waiting, Indra especially. He said, waiting for this to happen. Because if Kaikeyi was not in the scene, Mantra was not in the scene, Ravana will be scot-free. Remember, they have particularly asked Saraswati to get into the mouth or tongue of Mantra to say those things to influence Kaikeyi, and now Kaikeyi has to finish her job. And therefore, they were all very, very anxiously waiting. So, obviously, they are listening to this. And Kaikeyi apparently knew that. Now, I have to accomplish my portion of the job. And not only them, Chandra, Aditya, sun and the moon and the sun, Nabaha, space, Grihaha, all the planets, Ratri, day, not night, Ahani, day, Dishaha, all the quarters, Jagatcha Prathivi, earth and the whole universe, Chaiyam Sagandharvaha, all the celestial dancers, Sarakshasaha, all the Rakshasas, Nishacharani, all those nocturnals, Bhutani, all the living beings, Griheshu Griha Devataha, all the house deities, Yanicha Anyani Bhutani, all other beings, Janiyuhu, Bhashitam Tava. What is being spoken by you, let them all hear this. And you are considered as the man of the world. Satyasando Mahateja Dharmajna Satyavak Shuchihi. Satyasandaha, abiding by your own words. Mahateja is Mahatejas, become Mahateja, a man of great valor. Dharmajnaha, knower of what is virtue. Satyavak, man of truth. Shuchihi, pure. Varam mama dadasi esha. That varam, that boon that you are giving me, sarve shrunmantu devadaha. All of them listen to this. Understand, Treta Yuga just comes after Satya Yuga. In Satya Yuga, it is said to be, why is this called Satya Yuga? Because everybody spoke and abided by what is truth. So that means everybody knew their dharma, and everybody, without being monitored by anyone, they continued to abide by what is true. There's no police, no moral police at that time. Nobody is checking on you. Imagine that kind of condition. You can leave anything anywhere, nobody will touch it because it is not theirs. And nobody would do anything wrong because they know exactly what is their role in the society or anywhere. So nobody needs to monitor them, and everything was kalyan. But then, as human mind will become slowly crooked, when Rama Avatar took place, obviously it has already come down. But people like Dasharatha, etc., who belong to a higher level of evolution, they still continue to be, Satyavak, Shuchihi, Dharmajna. So obviously, she says, you are known for you are keeping up the promise, and therefore, if you have said that you are going to promise me something, not me, not Rama is listening, it is the Devatas who are listening. And so in India, there is a usual, I think South India it is usually, when you say something and there is a lizard. So what they say, see, even that is saying yes. A lizard, a human being don't consider, only lizard is allowed. What to do? We have come to that level of listening to the lizard only. So here, Iti Devi Maheshwasam Parigrihya Abhishasya Cha. So thus he brought them under control. Who? Maha Ishwasam. Ishu means arrow. Ishu Asam, meaning one who is capable of releasing very powerful weapons. Maheshwasam is one of the names for Arjuna also. Maheshwasam Parigrihya Abhishasya Cha. She praised him as much. Tadam tataha, thereafter, param varadam vachidam kamamohitam. So she thus addressed the Dasharatha, who is varadam, param dadadi varadam kamamohitam, one who is fully infatuated. To him she spoke this. What? Dasharatha, you remember. Smara. Smara means you remember. E Rajan Pura Vrittam, the old story, I'm telling you, Bees Baras Salkit Some 20-25 years back, in the past, Devasura Rane, there was a big fight between Devas and Asuras. In that very Tasmin Rane, in that very war, the great war that took place, Tatra there, Tvam Chavayat, you were made to fall down. Tava Shatruhu Chavayat. Your enemies made you fall down. It's a causal form. And Chuda means one who has fallen. Achyuta, one who never fails. That's why Vishnu's name, one of the names is Achyuta. Mostly in Kerala only they keep that name. Achyutan Menon, Achyutan Nayar. I don't think much in the up north they don't use that word much. Even in Tamil Nadu it is not there. Only in Kerala you will find it. Achyuta. So Achyuta. So Chavayat, they made you fall down. Jivamantara, Jividamantara, except they spared your life. So when you just fell down, who do you think took care of you? Tatra Chavimaya Deva Yatvam Samapirikshitah Jagratya Yatamanaya Tato me pradadau varau Tau dattau chavarau deva Nikshepau mrugayamyaham Tavaiva prithvi pala Sakashe raghunandana Tat pratishrutya dharmena Nachet dasyasi me varam Adyaiva hi prahasyami Jivitam tvat vimanita Tatra, in that very war, cha api maya, by me, he deva, yatutvam sam abhirakshita, passive form. By me you were protected. And jagratya, keeping myself awake. Yatamanaya, making sure that you are safe. Tataha, at that time, me, to me, varau pradadau, you gave me 2 wounds. At that time, because I took care of you, made sure that I was a paramedic at that time, practicing paramedic. Because you were unconscious, and then I made sure that you don't succumb to any great injury. I was awake and making sure that you are protected. Tau dattau chavarau deva, at that time what you gave, nikshepa, keeping it secretly, protectingly, thavaeva prithivi pala sakashe, I kept those 2 wounds that you gave to me with yourself. Meaning, I didn't take it. Meaning, if I give you something, if you don't take it, where does it go? Remains with me. The one who's giver, he has to keep it because I don't take it. But at that time I said, no, I don't want. Meaning not that I don't ever want it. Mrugayami aham. Now I am seeking that. Mruga means to seek, to search. And why mrugas are called mrugas? Because they constantly search for food. That's why it's called mrugas. So mrugayate. So mrugayami. Now I is asking for that, seeking for it. Now, therefore, now listen to tat parishrutya dharmena. Now, accordingly, when you listen to what I want, yadi me varam nachet dasyasi nachet. If you don't give me those boons, adyev, today itself, jivitam prahasya, I will kill myself. And how? Tvatvimanita, insulted by you. I don't want to live with a person who gave a promise and did not keep it. And these devatas are all watching, not only me or Ram. And you have given a word, and that time you gave, and I am now asking for it, and if you don't give, I don't think I will live any further. This is called emotional threat. Threatening him in such a way that Dasharatha was clueless. Why so serious she has become? What is that she is seeking so badly? What does she lack? And give her provided her everything. Absolutely, I have not a single clue about what is going on. Vang matrena tada raja Kaikeya swavashe kritaha Pachaskanda vinashaya पाशं मृग इवात्मनः ततः परमुवाचेदम् वरदं काममोहितं वरो देयो त्वया देव तथा दत्तो महीपते तौ तावदहमद्यैव वक्ष्यामि शृणु मे वचः अभिषेकसमारम्भो राघवस्योपकल्पितः अनेनैवाभिषेकेन भरतो मे विषिज्यताम् यो द्वितीयो वरो देव तत्तप्रीतेन मे त्वया तदा देवासुरे युद्धे तस्य कालोऽयमागतः नवपञ्च च वर्षाणि दण्डकारण्यमाश्रितः क्षीराजिनदरो धीरो रामो भवतु तापसः भरतो भजतामत्य यौवराज्यमकण्टकम् एष मे परमः कामो दत्तमेव वरं वृणे अद्य चैव हि पश्येयम् प्रयान्तं राघवं वने She captured him by just words. Vakmatrena tada raja Kaikeya svavashe kritah. Raja vashe kritah. Raja has been caught. The king has been caught. By what? Vakmatrena. Kaikeya Vakmatrena. By Kaikeyi only through her words. See, this must be understood properly. See, when you do something, you can deny that you did it, but when you said something, you can never deny it, because when you say, somebody is hearing, then only you are saying. If you did something and nobody noticed, it has not happened, because it is obviously not seen by anybody. But when you have uttered something, you utter because somebody is listening to it, otherwise you don't. You are on your own talking, that's a different thing. But when you are saying something, somebody has heard it, then finished. And during those times, they have taken the word seriously, because even nobody is hearing, Bhagavan is hearing. The Lord is hearing what you said, so you cannot go against it. Even in the court of law, if nobody has seen you doing it, you didn't do it. But if somebody heard you saying, you did. Because if that person comes and says, yes, you heard, you said, I heard. Then that's a valid, thing. You said, I said, yes, that is also accepted in the court of law. Vangmatrena svavashakritaha. So when you are uttering word, please, very be careful. That's why Vangmaya tapas, very important. What you say, to whom you say, and when do you say, and why do you say, where you say, how you say, everything is important. You said it. You said it in that place, in this way. So he fell down ultimately. Prachaskanda vinashaya. He fell down for his own destruction. Like what? Pasham mriga iva atmanaha. Just like a deer was caught in the net. In today's world, we are all caught in the internet. not in this normal net, nobody is caught, but internet we are caught. When we do any browsing, there is a NSA watching it. What are you doing? National Security Agency watching everything that you say. So, Tata Paramuvachetam Varatam Kamamohitam. Thus she, to that Dasharatha, Kamamohitam Varatam, the one who gave the boon and one who is passionately infatuated, Tataha Paramuvacha Idam. To him she said, Varo Deyo Tvaya Deva, you gave these two boons, Tada Tatto Mahipate, that you have to accomplish today. Tau tavat aham adyeva vakshyami. Now I will tell you exactly what I want. Shrunu me vachaha. Listen to me. These are all the nice Sanskrit words you can. Smara means what? Remember. Shrunu me vachaha. Meaning? Listen to me. Now you can go home. Shrunu me vachaha. Listen to me. What is the first thing you want? Abhisheka Samarambo Ragavasya Upakalpitaha. Whatever you are preparing for coronation of Rama, continue. But Anenaiva Abhishekena me Bharataha Abhishichyata. But the same preparation you are doing, nothing is changed. Only the one who is getting Abhisheka get changed. Because people would not know, because everything is going on smooth, but instead of Rama, there will be Bharata standing there. No change, because you say, Bharata, so I will not do all the preparation. No, exactly the same preparation, no change in the thing. Last minute, bridegroom changed. It will be a problem. Anene eva abhishekena. There is the same preparation. Bharato me abhishicyatam. My Bharata has to be. This is a me Bharata. My Bharata should be done. Yo dvitiyo varo deva. With the second boon, datta pritena me tvaya. You have given me with great love. Tata deva sure yadye. At the time when the war between the Deva and Asura, Tasya Kalo Yamagada. For that the time has come. Second boon. What is it? Navapanchacha Varshani, 9 plus 5 years. Dandakaranya Mashritaha, residing in the Dandakaranya forest. Chira Ajinadaro Dhiro, wearing the old rags and bark of a tree. Not with the royal clothes. Must wear the torn, what called rags, wearing that. Ramo bhavat tapasa. Let the Rama become a hermit. Bharato vajatam madhya uparajyam. Let Bharata be eligible and let him enjoy the beautiful princehood. Akantakam, with no opposition. Kantaka, I have explained to you before. Like a thorn in the throat, that's called Kantaka. Meaning, you cannot do anything with that, that is always there. So that's like an enemy who is always nagging. There is no more enemy. Akantakam, Rajyam, let him rule. Eshame paramakamo dattameva varam prati. Therefore, this is what I desire, which you need to give. And I want it to be done right now. Adhyachaivahi pashyeyam prayantam ragavam mane. What first should happen is, Rama should not be there anywhere when the Bharata's Abhishekam is taking place. Because, the people are funny, Bharata is there and then, because Bharata would not take that. If Rama is around, he would go into that chamber to start the coronation. So he should not, when Bharata comes, Rama should not be here. He should be absent from here. Not only that, he should have already gone. Ragavam mane prayantam pashyeyam. I should see that he is gone already. With only rags on his body, no royal clothes, nothing. Should have gone by the time this takes place. Sarajarajo bhavasatya sangaraha kulam cha shilam cha hi janma rakshacha paratra vasehi vatantyanuttamam satyavacho hitam nrunam. Saha Rajarajo Bhava Satya Sangaraha. You, the one who is a protector of great Satya Sangara, means one who has given the true promise. Sarajarajo, may you become one who has stood by your promise, O my dear, and protect Kulam, Sheelam, Janma, Rakshacha. And your own clan, your own character, your own behavior, and your own life, please protect with this. Because it is said by those people who are wealthy of tapas, tapodanaha nrunam hitam uttamam hitam satyavacho hi paratravase iti vadanti. The men who have lived a very tapas life of tapas, and became wealthy of tapas, they say among the human beings, standing by what is truth is the one which assures the next world. For sure. This is spoken by men of great wisdom, and therefore you ought to abide by that. You know, saying the truth is one thing, abiding by the truth is yet another. That's why Mahatma Gandhi also, his experiments are what were, because saying the truth and abiding by it is the most difficult one. Somebody wrote a book on Mahabharata, it's the difficulty of being good. That's the name of the book. The difficulty of being good. That's a story of Mahabharata. He has translated in his own way, saying that how difficult it is to just stay by what is good. It is becoming increasingly difficult. We compromise quite quickly without any regret. And that was not the case in the past. So that is why here she mentions, please, if you want the other world, you must make sure that you stand by what you say. Ityashte Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavye Ayodhya Kante Ekadasha Sargaha. We'll see a little bit of next sarga also. Tata Shrutva Maharajaha Kaikeya Darunam Vachaha Chintam Abhisamapete Muhurtam Pradatapacha Kinnumeyam Diva Sapnaha Chittamoho Pivamama Anubhuto Pasargova Manaso Vapyupadravaha Idi samchintya tatraja Natyagachat tada sukam Pradilabhyat tada samyam Kaikeyi vakyatapitaha Tataha, thereafter Maharajaha Kaikeya Dharanam Vachaha Shrutva, listening to the terrible words of Kaikeyi, first of all, he became extremely grieved. Chintam abhisamapete. He is so sad. Muhurtam pratata. He started burning within. Pratatapa means tap is to burn. Tatapa, he became prakarshena. And he started wondering, Kimnu meyam devaswapnaha. Is it that I am daydreaming here? Chittamohibdopi mohibova, or some delusion is taking place in my mind, or anubhuta upasargova, or it is something of the past life which is coming to me in my head and making me feel it is real here. Manasova apyupadravaha, or it is some kind of agitation in my mind, or is it real that what am I hearing from her? Idi sanchintya tatraja na adhyatachvatasukam. Thereafter he just could not even think of a little bit of even joy or happiness in his mind. Pradilabhya tadasanyam, he often became unconscious. Kaikeyi Vakyatapita, burnt by the words of Kaikeyi, he almost lost consciousness. Then what happened? Dot, dot, dot. Let us leave him grieve for some more time. Aganita Gunagana Bhushana Rama Ashita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhya Vasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukhamardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Palada Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattavirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Vallabha Sita Rama Jaya Raghu Rama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama